Morning students, now we can move the another topic on rotation, geometric transformation. It is a transformation and a variation of it can also used to create entities arranged in circular array. This rotation is occurs about origin by creating the entity once and then rotating by copying it to the desired position on the circumference. Another one, circular pattern. Point P is equal to x comma y. P is equal to r cos pi, r sin pi. After rotation, P is equal to x dash, y dash is equal to r cos theta plus pi, r sin theta plus pi. P dash equal to r cos theta cos pi minus sin theta sin pi. R sin theta cos pi plus cos theta sin pi. P dash equal to x cos theta minus y sin theta. X sin theta plus y cos theta. P dash equal to x comma y cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. R is equal to cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta. That is called a rotation. This is the rotation of geometry deformation is initially explained on the counterclockwise or clockwise. Okay. The counterclockwise rotation about the opposite direction and clockwise about the same direction. The rotation of point x equal to r cos theta and y equal to r sin theta. The in between the point of moving on the p of x dash y dash. Okay. Scaling and geometric deformation. Scaling and geometric deformation. Transformation. This transformation alter the size of an object. The scaling is occurs about the origin. Point p is equal to x comma y. After scaling points p dash equal to p dot s. X dash y dash is equal to x y sx 0 and 0 sy. Sx scale factor in x direction, sy scale factor in y direction. A dash b dash d dash. Uniform scaling by factor 2. Non-uniform scaling by sx equal to 1 and sy is equal to 2. Shearing, geometric deformation. The transformation causes the image to slant. Y shear preserves all the x coordinates value but shift to y value. X shear preserves all the y coordinates value but shift to x value. Point P is equal to x comma y after x shearing. Point P dash P into x dash y dash is equal to x comma y 1 comma 0 p 1. A dash b dash c dash d dash equal to a b c d s. X shear by 1.5. The point P is equal to x comma y. After y shearing, point P dash P sketch x dash y dash x comma y equal to 1a 0 1. Reflection, geometric deformation. Reflection is the same as obtaining a mirror of the original shape. Used in most engineered product of symmetrical. Point P is equal to x comma y. After reflection, point P dash P into M. Reflection about y axis. Reflection about line y equal to minus x. That is m is equal to minus 1 0 0 1. That is the reflection about both x and y axis. Okay. Next we have the topic of homogeneous coordinates. The translation transformation is in the form of vector addition. Other transformation are in the form of multiplication. In certain applications, multiple operations are required, include translation. In such cases, it is convenient to represent the transformation as matrix multiplication. This drawback can be eliminated by homogeneous coordinates. The use of homogeneous coordinate system is vital when the There are multiple operations which include translation. As in this coordinate system, translation is also represented as multiplication. Point P equal to x comma y can be expressed as P is equal to x dash y dash in H. Non-zero number value for H is equal to 1. The general transformation matrix is also called modified to a 3 by 3 matrix. Homogeneous transformation matrix. Translation, rotation, scaling, reflection by mirror, shear. Translation: x dash y dash 1 is equal to x y 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 dx dy y equal to 1. Rotation: x dash y dash 1 equal to x 1 y x y 1 cos theta sin theta 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 1. Reflection by mirror: x dash y dash 1 is equal to x y 1 aco b du 0 0 1. The shear for y shear: x dash y dash 1 equal to x y 1 1 a 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. For shear: x dash y dash 1 x y 1 1 0 0 b 1 0 0 0 1. Concentration or composite transformation. Task rotation about any arbitrary given point sequence. Translate the object such that rotation point coincide with the origin. Rotate about the origin. Translate again back to the original rotation point. Translate again back to the original rotation. Original shape. Translation to origin. The original shape is fixed in the shape and rectangular shape and the horizontal position. But translation to origin is the one of the base origin fixed in the corner point and the translation to the origin point and the rotation about origin. The origin is rotation about its axis. Another one, translation back to original point. Translation back to original point. Next, another one, the concatenation or composite transformation. Concatenation: task scaling about any arbitrary point sequence. Translate the object such that the desired fixed scaling point coincides with the origin. Scaling the object about the origin. Translate the object again back to the original fixed scaling point. Okay, so this is the same procedure, but concatenation or composite transformation is shape is different to be transferred. For original shape, next translation to origin, another scaling about origin, scaling about any given point, final translation back to original points. Next, concatenation or composite transformation. Task reflection about any given line y is equal to mx plus b. Translate the line and object such that the line passes through the origin. Rotate the line and the object and the about origin such that they coincide with any one axis of the coordinate system. Reflect about the coincide axis. Apply inverse rotation. Apply inverse translation. Recurved mirror image and mirror line. Original shape. Translation to origin. Rotation. Reflection. Inverse rotation. Inverse translation. Inverse transformation. Transformation: modify each point of the entity x comma y to x dash y dash. In many cases, we need to an effect on transformation.